In this video, I would like to explain how to form a linear equation for the given information and how to draw the graph for the given information. Hi, this is Madhubabu. The problem is Samira was driving a car with a uniform speed of 60 km per hour. Draw the distance time graph. From the graph, find the distance traveled by Samira in 1.5 hours, 2 hours, and 3.5 hours. Let us go to the problem solution. The speed of a car, uniform speed, that is 60 km per hour. Let the time taken be x hours. Let the distance traveled is equals to y kilometers. The relation between the speed, time and distance is equals to time into speed. So from the above information, distance traveled y kilometers and time is x hours into 60. So finally the form of equation is y is equals to 60x. This is the required linear equation. Some questions are asked here. Find the distance traveled by Samira in 1.5 hour, 2 hours and 3.5 hours. So I am taking the values as 1 hour and 4 hours. They are not given in this questions as questions. So x, y, x comma y. Suppose I am taking 1 hour. In 1 hour, substitute in the x plus 1. So 60 into 1, 60. So y will be 60. And take 4 hours. In 4 hours, substitute in the x for 64s are 240. So 1 comma 60, 4 comma 240 are the points. Observe the points on x-axis 1, 4 are less values. So we can take on x-axis 1 centimeter as 1 unit. On y-axis y points are 60, 240 like that. Suppose we are taking 1 centimeter as 10 units also, the space is not enough. So it is better to take on y-axis 1 centimeter as 20 units. So finally take 1 centimeter as 1 unit on the x-axis and take 1 centimeter as 20 units on the y-axis, and distance, time and speed never be negative. So take the x-axis, y-axis at the corners. By observing the values of x-axis and in questions 1.5 hours, 2 hours, 3.5 hours, we take the points as 1 hour at the 4 hours. So very less values. So on the x-axis we can take 1 centimeter as half unit and take 1 centimeter as 20 units on the y-axis. X-axis represents time and y-axis represents the distance traveled. And mark the taken points. X comma y is first point is 1 comma 60. So for 1 hour the distance traveled is 60 kilometers. And for 4 hours. In 4 hours, the distance traveled is 240 kilometers. So in 4 hours, the distance traveled is 240. Through these 2 points, draw a line. This line represents y is equals to 60x. Y is equals to 60x. So some questions are asked here. This is 1 comma 60. This is 4 comma 240. The first question is, for 1.5 hours. In 1.5 hours, how many kilometers traveled? So on x-axis, see 1.5 hour. Draw dotted lines to the line y is equals to 60x. From 1.5 they intersected here, and again draw dotted lines to perpendicular line to this dotted line at this point to y-axis. So in 1.5 hour, the car traveled, this is 80, this is 90, 100. So in 1.5 hour, 90 kilometers traveled. So first one answer is 90 kilometers. And second question is in 2 hours. In 2 hours. So take dotted lines at the 2 hours to line y is equals to 60x. They intersect here. At this point, draw a perpendicular line to this dotted lines to y-axis. So in 2 hours, the car traveled 120 kilometers. So second one answer is 120 kilometers. Third question is in 3.5 hours. So take dotted lines from 3.5 hours. 3.5 hours. To this line y is equals to 60x. Again they intersect it here. So from this point, draw a perpendicular line to this dotted lines to y-axis. So in 3.5 hours, the car traveled, this is 200, 210, 220, so 210 kilometers. So third one answer is in 3.5 hours, the car traveled 210 kilometers. So this is the required graph and the solution for a given questions. Scale. On x-axis, every centimeter has a half an hour. One centimeter is equals to half an hour. On y-axis, every centimeter represents 20 kilometers.